Hi students, today I am going to derive an important mathematical concept in quantum mechanics, that is Schrodinger time independent wave equation. Very important for the examination point of view. In order to derive equation for the Schrodinger time independent wave equation, as usual I am going to consider a particle. This particle has a mass m. This particle is moving with velocity v along the one dimension. Here we can write that dimension as x direction. Okay. Now, according to the de Broglie hypothesis, if this particle has a dual nature of matter wave, that means it is moving like a wave. This particle has wave properties. This particle has wave properties as well as particle properties. So, according to the Schrodinger, the wave function of the particle moving like a wave can be written by using one expression which is called as psi of x comma t, which is nothing but wave function of the particle is represented like this. Now in this expression, psi is the wave function, x is the direction of the particle moving along the one dimension, t is the time taken by the particle. Mathematically, this expression can be written in the form of psi is equal to, or psi of x comma, listen carefully, psi of x comma t is equal to a into e power I into kx minus omega t. Equation number 1. Now in this equation number 1, k is a propagation vector which can be written in the form of k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. You can take it as second equation. Now what we have to do? Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x one time. So I am writing here d psi by dx is equal to, I am writing as it is. Already we know from the fundamentals of mathematics, differentiation of e power of x only. So I am writing here a into e power I into kx minus omega t. Again differentiate the power term. What I will get? I into kx will become k. Now again differentiate the above equation. What I will write? d square psi divided by dx square. That can be written, differentiate one more time. I am writing here e power I into kx minus omega t. Again what I will get? One more ik. I will get ik into ik I square. Now already we know I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1 using the above equation. What I will write here? So d square psi divided by dx square is equal to minus k square into a e power I into kx minus omega t. Now in this equation, in the place of a e power I into kx minus omega t, I am using the equation 1. Now what I will get here? Listen carefully without deviation. So d square psi divided by dx square is equal to minus k square into, the place of entire thing I am writing simply psi. Okay na? Now what we can say here? Now we know from the equation number 2, substitute 2 in the above equation. What I will get? d square psi divided by dx square is equal to, what is the meaning of k from the equation number 2? 2 pi divided by lambda whole square into psi. Now rewriting the equation, d square psi divided by dx square is equal to minus 4 pi square by lambda square into psi. Let us say it is the equation number 3. Okay. Now after this equation number 3, I am using de Broglie wavelength. I am using de Broglie wavelength. What is the meaning of de Broglie wavelength? What is the equation for the de Broglie wavelength? For getting these details, you have to refer my previous video, that is de Broglie hypothesis. What I will get from that equation? Lambda is equal to h divided by m into v. Now use that, write that equation reciprocal of the equation. So I am writing here reciprocal and square. What I will write here? M square v square by h square I will get. Now this equation is, I am simplifying into another method like that. Left hand side is 1 divided by lambda square, 1 divided by lambda square, and right hand side is what is right hand side? M square v square by h square. I am writing here m square v square by h square, m square v square by h square. I am writing this equation like this. Listen carefully here. So I am writing here multiplying with 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 2. I am splitting m square in the form of m into m into, as usual, v square divided by h square. Any confusion here? I am writing this equation in the form of what I am writing here, multiplying with m 2 times, splitting the m 2 times, m into m, and multiplying with m and dividing with m. Writing like this 1 by 2 into 2 into m into v square divided by h square. After writing this equation, just rearrange the above equation like this. 1 by lambda square is equal to what I am writing here? I am writing this equation in the form of 1 by 2 into mv square. Here 1 by 2 into mv square I am separating, and again remaining part is equal to 2m. Carefully watch this presentation. 1 by 2 mv square into remaining 2m divided by h square. This is a one expression. 1 by 2 mv square into 2m divided by h square. Let us say equation number 4 it is. Equation number 4. Okay. Now after writing equation number 4, already we know that total energy. We know that total energy is equal to summation of kinetic energy. Summation of kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So I am writing here total energy capital E, kinetic energy we know half mv square, and potential energy capital V. Now I am rewriting this equation in the form of capital E minus capital V is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Let us say equation number 5. Now substitute fifth equation in the fourth equation. What I will get? Left hand side is 1 divided by lambda square is equal to right hand side, in the place of half mv square I am writing E minus capital V into 2m divided by h square. It is a equation number 6. Next what we have to do? Substitute sixth equation. Substitute sixth equation in the which equation? Third equation. What do we get? Third equation. Rewrite third. Substitute sixth equation in the third equation. I am writing next step. What is the meaning of third equation? Check once again. Left hand side is d square psi by dx square. I am rewriting here equation number 3 here. So d square psi divided by dx square is equal to left hand side minus 4 pi square by lambda square. My right hand side minus 4 pi square by lambda square into remaining is psi. This is equation number 3. Okay, now in this equation number 3, I want to substitute sixth equation. What is the sixth equation? The sixth equation, 1 by lambda square is equal to E minus V into 2m by h square. Now substitute sixth equation in the third equation. What I will get? What is the third equation? D square psi divided by dx square is equal to, I am writing first, minus 4 pi square into 1 by lambda square. I am using the sixth equation, that is capital E minus capital V into 2m divided by h square. Remaining as usual psi I am writing. Now what is the next step? You think carefully, and here 4 is there, here 2 is there, multiply with 4 and 2, d square by d x square is equal to 4 2s are 8, then remaining is pi square, remaining is m into e minus v divided by h square into psi. Now I am bringing this expression into left hand side, which I will write on d square psi divided by dx square plus 8 pi square by 8 pi. One second, I will rewrite this expression to avoid any confusion. Listen carefully. D square psi by dx square, v minus becomes plus 8 pi square m into capital E minus capital EV divided by h square into psi is equal to 0. Now very important step it is. Now in the above equation, in the place of let h divided by 2 pi is equal to, I am using another expression. This is called as h cut. People are confusing here. This is called as h cut. What is the meaning of h cut? Wherever h cut means h divided by 2 pi, I am using h cut. Read this as h cut. I am writing here d square psi divided by d x square plus 2m divided by h cut square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0. So this is a equation known as Schrodinger time independent wave equation for a particle moving along the x dimension. This equation can be written in the form of 3 dimension. How can I write 3 dimension? Same expression, just I am modifying into d square psi by dx square plus d square psi divided by d y square plus d square psi divided by d z square plus 2m divided by h cut square into e minus v into psi of x comma y comma z is equal to 0. This is the equation for Schrodinger time independent wave equation moving in the 3 dimension. This is a very important question for the university examination point of view. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you like this presentation, share this presentation to your friends. This is very important for university examination. This is Dr. Reddy Babu. This is my channel. YouTube channel name is Physics for All by Dr. Reddy Babu. For more information, subscribe my channel, share this information to